Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the simplest yet smartest upgrades you can make to any room. Wooden wall shelves for space saving. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, a spacious house, or anything in between, wooden shelves offer an elegant way to free up floor space, create storage, and showcase personality all in one move. Let's start with why wood is the material of choice for wall shelving. Strength and durability. Properly treated wood supports significant weight without bending. Aesthetic warmth. Wood brings natural texture and richness that blends with any decor. Versatility. From light bamboo to deep walnut tones, wood adapts to modern, rustic, or classic indoors. Sustainability. Reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood offers an eco-friendly alternative to plastics or metals. Wooden wall shelves are both functional and decorative, striking a balance many other materials struggle to achieve. Wall-mounted shelving isn't just pretty, it is a strategic space saver. Vertical efficiency. Instead of occupying valuable floor area, shelves use the vertical plane to maximize square footage. Hidden potential. Empty walls become active storage zones above couches, around door frames, or even along stairways. Flexible arrangement. Whether you need a single shelf for essentials or a whole wall for books, wood allows easy scaling. For small apartments or compact rooms, shelves can literally create breathing room. Where you install wooden wall shelves can completely transform how a room functions. Living spaces. Free up coffee tables and sideboards by displaying books, decor, or other tech accessories on the wall. Kitchens. Store spices, dishes, or cookbooks while keeping counters clear. Bedrooms. Replace bulky nightstands with the slim floating shelves. Bathrooms. Provide storage for towels or toiletries without crowding the floor. Entryways. Create a landing spot for keys, nail, and small items right by the door. Good placement turns empty walls into purposeful zones. Wooden wall shelves excel because they can blend seamlessly into any style. Even without naming specific designs, think about these general approaches. Minimalist and modern. Clean lines and subtle finishes emphasize simplicity. Rustic and natural. Exposed grain or reclaimed wood adds organic warmth. Industrial accents. Pairing wood with subtle metal brackets create a balanced urban vibe. Smooth edges and polished finishes lend timeless sophistication. The same wall shelf can read as cozy or contemporary, simply through wood tone, thickness, and finish. Beyond appearance, functionality defines a great wall shelf. Load-bearing strength. Proper anchors and brackets ensure safety. Adjustable height. Modular systems allow shelves to adapt as needs change. Choosing the right shelf that prevents overcrowding or accidental bumps. Hidden LEDs beneath the shelf illuminate items and double as ambient lighting. A well-planned shelf feels effortless, while quietly working hard. Wooden shelves don't just hold objects, they influence how a room feels. By lifting storage off the floor, they create the illusion of a larger, airier space. Repeating horizontal lines can visually widen a narrow room. Vertical arrangements can draw the eye upward, emphasizing ceiling heights. Strategic shelving isn't just storage, it is a spatial psychology. To keep wooden wall shelves looking beautiful, dust regularly to prevent buildup. Avoid excessive moisture to protect against warping. Refinish or oil periodically to maintain luster and durability. Check brackets and anchors occasionally to ensure stability. A little upkeep ensures your shelves remain reliable for years. Even when used purely for storage, wooden shelves contribute to the room's atmosphere. The texture of wood grain, the subtle scent of natural finishes, and the warm undertones all add a layer of comfort and personality. They can become quiet storytellers, displaying meaningful objects while keeping clutter in check. And that is the magic of wooden wall shelves for space saving. A perfect blend of practicality and beauty. By turning their walls into organized showcases, they free up floor space, enhance flow, and infuse any room with natural warmth. Remember, sometimes the smartest way to expand a room is simply to go up. So until next time, happy decorating.